situations like COVID and what that has done to the government's coffers possibly impact this sort of taxes again? Would you see a potential change in taxes taking place with regard to your estate and inheritance?
If it is about a cooling measure, then yeah, more stamp duty or more loan restrictions could come in. But where it refers to estate duties and the transfer, actually, maybe over the next 12 months, we might see a lot more than usual estate type of transfers, because with the outbreak in Malaysia, Indonesia, I'm already hearing from my friends whose relatives unexpectedly passed away a little bit younger than they were planning to. And the family is actually now, they are in the process of transferring the wealth. Many of these families actually have financial planners serving them from Singapore. They have got bank accounts in Singapore, and they may have 1 or 2 properties in Singapore as well. So for the next 12 months, I think we might see that this area of services between financial planners, private bankers, real estate agents, and trust managers, I think this area of work demand should increase due to the virus.
And you're saying most of that will be transferred to Singapore?
No idea. It depends on the next generation and what the next generation plans to do with. But I'm saying that it is going to be an unexpectedly high number, a sudden jump in the demand for such work.
Xu Yong is absolutely right. In fact, over the last 6 months, I think with this COVID pandemic, families are spending more time together, and they start to think, the parents start to think about the next generation. There's more opportunity for conversation, because myself and my peers have been reviewing letter of wishes for trust that is set up by our clients, or it could be just reviewing the simple will. And honestly, I was very surprised. A will or a letter of wishes that was drafted 3 years ago, now if you go through the same letter of wishes or the will, things change tremendously, and it's only in 3 years. Because prior to that, I thought that you could just leave it there for 5 years, 7 years, and then review it again. But I'm so wrong. I think now there's a need to reassess the situation, because the tax regime has changed, COVID has changed things, and the next generation are growing up.